wide body too. That was a scat. RT SCATPACK. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy SRT Rick, man. We back with another banger, man. As you can tell by the title of the video, about to do a little POV drive in the back roads, doing like pulls. I might even bend some corners, you feel me? Yo, your boy just hit 1,000 subs, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all. That's one of my goals this year, was to hit 1,000 subs on YouTube. I didn't think I was gonna do it that fast. I feel like that was pretty quick, for real, for somebody just starting off. Sorry for the wind noise if y'all got a lot of wind noise. I have it down so you guys can hear the car. I ain't gonna really do too much talking, for real. I'm gonna just let y'all hear the car and just enjoy the video. Enjoy the car, enjoy the view. We are in sport mode right now. I'll probably enter sport or track in a little bit. Come on, make sure you take both sides. That's a manual, man. My God. This guy would be in my way right now. Like, come on. This joint sounds crazy in sport mode, for real. Please turn. Please turn. Yes. Get out my way. I ain't trying to spend time. I'm about to go into sport mode. Now I know I should be having a GoPro. Like, I feel like I'm good with my hands, man. I trust myself, but I don't think anything's gonna happen. I'm just too nice on the wheel. I trust myself. You feel me? We about to make a U-turn, so I'm definitely I might just hit this. I might just hit this UE. If no cars is coming, I'm definitely hitting this UE. Let me hold this traction control off. I'm hitting this UE. I'm bending this whole fucking. Oh yeah. Alright, we off. Fuck that nigga. I hope I got that on video, on my angle. Should we get in track mode? I might get into track mode. Now track mode is weird. It's not weird, but it's like this shit. It's more like tight. Like the wheel is tight. You can feel it on the gas a little bit too. On the throttle. Like, I gotta do a video about a SCAT pack and the RT difference. Gotta tell our chef, man, we gotta do a collab. You feel me? RT and SCAT pack, the difference between them. That's a sheriff crib right there. Like, fuck that shit. I ain't doing too much talking, y'all. I'm just letting y'all hear the car. Chill a second.